Acosta and Mrs. Ronaldine Calano. Silverio Puro Razon and Mrs. Sandra Razon. Closer. Next we have Miss Beth Ocampo and Miss Lisa Marcigan. Next in line Mr. Bimbo Manalo and Mrs. Judy Manalo. Next we have Mr. Romel Ocampo and Mrs. Eileen Ocampo. Mr. Joey Jacinto and Mrs. Lori Ocampo. Doctora Maria Maureen and Rosa Villanueva. Oh, that's good! Hey. Next we have Mrs. Lisa Garcia and Mr. SPO3 Marlon Pinto. And as the principal sponsor, we have Honorable Vice Mayor Geraldine Ornales and Mr. Anselmo Atienza. Sponsor, we have the best man in maid of honor, Mr. Nash Ocampo and Paula Jane Cana. Wait lang. Queenie J, isang TikTok nga dyan para sa ating best man in maid of honor. Yan. Kailangan mas magaling sila. Queenie J, isang paro-paro G ka ba dyan? Para madali-dali, para tayo mabilis matapos. Ano po? Isang paro-paro G para mabilis matapos. I'm sure alam na alam to ni Sir. Diga, Sir. Ready! Sir, konting sayo lang, sir. Favorite. Sir, konting sayo lang. Konting sayo lang. Ready! Thank you so much. Tinuruan pa ha. Next we have Tyrone Howard Villavicencio and Rona Catibo.
Basta Misares
Dito ba?